how to get back archived stories on Instagram. So if you archived a story on Instagram and you want to repost it or share it as a highlight on your Instagram profile, in this tutorial I'll show you how to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get back archived stories on Instagram, the first thing we need to do is open up Instagram on our iPhone or Android phone, then select the profile icon on the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, select the three lines in the top right, and then select Archive. Now that we're in Archive, at the very top, just make sure that it says Stories Archive right there. You can then go through, see all the stories you have on Instagram. Now, if you're not seeing your stories here, go into the top right, select the three dots, and then select Settings, and then make sure you have Save Story to Archive turned on. This will allow your stories to show up in the archive. To get any of your stories back, select the story you want to get back, and then we can repost it as a story on our profile if we want to by selecting Share, and then selecting your story in the bottom left. Then as you can see, that's now an active story on my Instagram profile. Now, additionally from the archive here, we can also save any of these stories as highlights by simply selecting them and then selecting highlight. And then we can select which highlight or create a new highlight for it. All right, so that's how you get back archived stories on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets. Thank you so much for watching.